In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Airtable as a complete beginner, from setting up your very first base to organizing your data like a pro. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, open your browser and go to Airtable. If you already have an account, click Sign In, and you'll land inside your workspace. This is your command center where all Rajthulfa will live. Once you're in, click the Create button and then select Build an App on your own. This gives you a blank canvas, which is perfect for learning the ropes. At the top of the new screen, you'll see where you can enter a name for your base. Go ahead and give it a meaningful name like Project Tracker or Client List, whatever fits what you're building. Now, you'll see your first table already created for you. Click on it, and you can rename it right at the top if you like. For example, Trassics or Context. Next, click on the column headers to edit the fields. This is where Airtable really shines because each column acts like a smart field type. For a beginner setup, I recommend adding columns such as name, status, date, and notes. You can choose field types like single line text for name, a single select for status, a date picker for date, and a long text field for notes. This structure gives you a solid foundation for tracking almost anything. To start populating your base, click the plus sign to add a new record. Take your time and enter your data into each field. Don't rush. This is the information you'll be working with, so accuracy counts. Once you have a few records entered, you'll notice the default view is called Grid View. Click on that to see your records laid out in a clean table, just like a spreadsheet. From here, you can click Filter to show only specific records, like tasks with a certain status. Use Group to organize your records by a field, such as grouping by status, so all in-progress items are together. And click Sort to arrange your data, for example by date, so the newest items appear first. One of the best parts is that your changes save automatically, so you never have to worry about losing your work. Thanks for watching this Airtable tutorial for beginners. You've now set up your base, added fields and records, and learned how to filter, group, and sort your data. Start building your own bases and see how much easier organization can be. See you in the next video.